Oppo Reno 3 is an upcoming smartphone by Oppo. The phone is rumored to launch on December 12, 2019, but the date is not official yet. So here is everything we know about the phone. Oppo's Vice President Brian Chen has teased the Oppo Reno 3 Pro 5G design through a partial render of the smartphone. The render suggests the handset will have a curved screen with a slim bezel at the top. While it appears to have a notch-less screen, it could house a punch hole cutout at the top left corner which is covered in the poster image. Notably, Chen claims the Reno 3 Pro 5G will come with a glass body and a thickness of just 7.7 mm. The Oppo VP believes the Reno 3 Pro 5G could be the thinnest dual-mode 5G phone in its price segment. The Reno 3 Pro 5G render further shows the power button placed on the right spine with a blue accent. As for the standard Oppo Reno 3 5G specs, it is expected to ship with the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 735 paired with 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB UFS 2.1 storage. It will reportedly sport a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and in-display fingerprint sensor for security. As for the camera, the phone is expected to include a 60-megapixel Sony IMX686 primary sensor, an 8-megapixel secondary shooter, a 13-megapixels lens, and a 2-megapixel sensor. On the front, the smartphone may get a 32-megapixel selfie camera. It is also said to house a 4500 mAh battery. So what do you think about this smartphone? Let us know in the comments below. This is Z signing off and I'll see you in the next one.